Yo, this for my dog. You ready? You don't gotta be nice to be polite, cause everything you do, dog, just seems right. Mr. Charisma, Napoleon got nothing on you. You could conquer the world if you want. It seems you really don't know what you want sometimes, but then you, surprise, surprise, you come back with 50 grand and a smile, popping bottles of champagne every night, right? I'd say it's like a dream come true, but then you work like a dog to make shit look cake, but when it's really not, you bake it and it looks great, straight, never late. Cause you're confident, the world is yours, yeah. 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 I can say that you're full of shit, but you're really not. You got a lot of friends that will say I'm insane, cause they love you and have your back. Just so you know, I got your back too, dog, cause you had mine. Straight from the truth, these letters and not just lies in these lines. Always trying to keep it 100. That's why I made this song, to release all these thoughts that I pondered about you, my buddy Mike. Cause you're confident, the world is yours, yeah. 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 The world is yours. If you want it bad enough, if you want it bad enough, bad enough, the world is yours. If you want it bad enough, if you want it bad enough, bad enough, cause you're confident, the world is yours, yeah. 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 Yo, happy birthday, my Nick. Hope you enjoy your day and have a lot of cake. And I'll see you at the top, my dog.